Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 305. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 2, 5. 5 here, so 2, 3. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 3, 9. That 3 makes this our 2, 5. If we look at this column now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 6, 6 here, so 3, 8, 3 here, so 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 6, 6 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 1, 5 here, so 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 3, 8, 6. And that 3 makes this our 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 7, 2 here, so 4, 7. That means that our 2 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 3, 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 7, and no help here, 1, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 9. 7 here, so 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got the 5 here, so 3, 9. 3 and 5 here means this is our 9, 3, 5. That 9 makes this our 1, 7, 9. That 7 makes this our 4, 7, 4, 7. 4 and 7 here makes this our 1. And for this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.